My name is Giovanni Bassani. I'm a professional windsurfer since 6 years almost, and I'm from Rome, but I live in Sardinia basically, and travel with my van for windsurfing and training during the winter season. Meanwhile, in the summer, I compete in all the Europe and sometimes also more far for the European and the World Championship. To live in a big van, it's always been my dream. As watching the windsurfing videos, always saw the pro windsurfer going around with this big camper van or the car full of gear and living inside. So it's part of the philosophy of my sport. And at one point, I felt like the freedom of living inside the van could become something like full time in my life. So with my parents, we decided to buy a bigger van. Like this, I could live inside for all year long. Me and my father, we decided to use this bamboo that is very easy to carve and shape. I'm pretty happy about it because it's very clear color, so it's very, come si dice, bright, and yeah, it's simple, clean, but is inspired in a boat construction. So this is the living area. This is the seat for where I sit and chill during the day. Underneath there is the boiler for the hot waters that allow you to warm 30 liters of water, and you can decide the temperature between 50 and 70 degrees and the water pump. This is where I chill and prepare my food. The table is opening. Like this you have more space to cook and work during the day. And in the future the project is also to turn the front seat to have more space and chill with more people. I also sit here during the day and watch movies and work with my laptop, and I have two electricity plugs where I can charge all my devices. On the roof I have a solar panel that is 200 watts and is enough to cover all my need of electricity, as I spend much of my day on the water or on the outdoor activities. This is my kitchen, is where I cook my dishes, and yeah, this is enough space for a frying pan and a pot. And once I cut all the veggies on the table that you saw before, I start cooking here, and this is the cleaning area. It's big enough, but I would like to have it bigger because it's sometimes a bit tiny for big pots. It's working very good. It's a Dometic kitchen, and I have to say the fires are very powerful. Then underneath we have all the tools for cooking plus the water tank. All the fresh food and the drinks are stored in my fridge. It's working with gas and with electricity on 12 and 220 volts. And yeah, you can see it here is Dometic also the fridge. And yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. This is my shower. Is 70 cm wide and 70 cm large, so it's a square. And there is also a small toilet inside that I have to remove when I want to shower. But it's very helpful to have a toilet when you want. The boiler is warming the water in around 20 minutes, and you can have a shower of almost 10 minutes, so you can have your shampoo and conditioner without problem. For two people sometimes it's a bit tight, but yeah, you have just to get used and shower fast. In the middle part of the van I kept these two areas for the clothing storage and all the items that I don't know where to put. So this is my wardrobe where all the winter clothes are stored in, and on the back of the bed I have another small storage with socks and slips. And also in this part I have some stuff for the house, let's say, so small carpet, something to make orange juice, coffee machine, books, and it's very nice to have this area where to put all the stuff, all the big stuff that otherwise will be around in the van and create a lot of mess. And there are also the electricity bottom. This is the light of the shower, and this is the light of the bed. So this is my bedroom, guys. It's very comfortable because it's in memory, and there are two spots where the hot air is coming out from the Webasto during the winter. Is very comfortable, and also another electricity plug to charge the phone or the laptop if you're watching a movie during the night. It's very warm also because it's on top of all the gear, as we said before. So in the winter this is very nice because you don't feel cold like also in the very cold days. But in the summer the windows allow you to stay fresh thanks to the ventilation. This is my food storage, and is where I store all the food that doesn't go in the fridge. And it's very dry because it's on top of the driving area, and it takes all the sun, and this keeps all the food very dry and not moist. So this is a small panel of control where you can see how the electricity level of the battery from the van and the service battery is, and also the level of the water tank, and it's really useful, and I love it. And also there is a button to put power to the water pump. So yeah, these are the stairs, are electric, to jump in more easily. This is the hole to fulfill the water tank of the kitchen, and this is a small shower. As being a windsurfer brings you a lot of sand and dirt from the sea and the beach. So this is made to clean your feet and clean yourself before to go in the van. All the garage is made with another material, as you can see, is to avoid the water moisture in the van, as all the gear is pretty much the time wet and salty. Now it's a bit messy, but in the future will be organized with all the space for the sails and the boards, and also a place where to put the bike without the front wheel. So this is the main electricity panel, like a normal house, where you can give power or to the whole system, only to the plugs or only to the fridge. We had to put the wheel inside because underneath there is the water tank for the grey waters, and more in front of the wheel there is the battery and the inverter. They are not really easy to reach, but it's more about saying that doing it, because you have just to remove this wheel. Now it's almost 1 year I'm living inside the van, and everything it's easier, but I have to say that also in the winter here in Sardinia, living in the van is perfect, and I really enjoying. Living in a van for me is it's amazing because it's priceless to wake up with the sea in front of you, or the mountain and the sun. It's something that I don't know, it's always different. You choose where you go, you can go wherever you want, wake up the morning in the place you like, and if you don't like, you just turn on your engine and change the place. This is pure freedom for me, and with the sport I do, it's a continued chasing of conditions, and this van allow me to always be in the good place, in the good moment, and for me this is the best.